In today's video, I'll teach you how to use CoinGecko calculator. First of all, what you have to do is launch open CoinGecko application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the market interface. So if you want to use the calculator, it is actually very simple. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find the options like My Account, My Candy, Calculator, Coin Alerts, etc. Tap on this option Calculator that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the calculator interface. First of all, what you have to do is select the currency that you would like to convert. Simply tap on the currency that is selected right now. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the currency. Simply search for the currency and tap on it. Now you can see over here that particular currency will be selected over here. Now what you have to do is simply enter the amount. Tap on the field of amount. Now what you have to do is enter the amount over here. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the equivalent value of the cryptocurrencies. You can see over here, you'll be able to find the options like BTC, ETS, XRP, USDT, etc. For example, for 1000 USD, you'll be able to get 0.008598 BTC. So like this, you'll be able to use the calculator. So that is how you use CoinGecko calculator. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.